Hello, Safety John with AIM Transportation Solutions, bringing you this week's Safety Bulletin. Have you given much thought to your windshield wipers? They are one of the most important features of the vehicle itself. During these winter months, let's keep a few things in mind. 1. Make sure you install a fresh pair of wiper blades at the start of the season. 2. Warm up your vehicle interior before operating these wipers. 3. Clear excess snow and ice from your windshield. Last, check your washer fluid. Is it rated for below freezing temperatures and filled to the proper level? These and other tips will help to make your drivers safer and more productive on the road. Driver managers, dispatchers, when talking to your drivers, remind them to check their wiper blades and fluids each and every day. Bottom line, as the saying goes, if you can't see where you're going, you'll never get there.